What's good, YouTube? This is gonna be episode 3 of the Grom clone build. Yeah, Grom clone build. Got tongue tied for a sec. We gonna slap some new parts on here. I got like a couple more pieces, and then I'll be ready for the whole 12-bar rear sets in order to start taking this thing to the lots. Go hit the wheelie. Stay tuned. I'm about to turn on the hammer cam. It's gonna change the whole quality. It's gonna be shooting in 1080p, but it's just for a few secs while we run down the road into my job. I'm gonna show y'all what the 24mm flat slide do for it. It's still a little on the lean. I could go up. I could have got a 26, but I wanted to run safe and not go too rich. So I'm about to roll the intro right here. And
you ever seen a chopper do some damage, niggas stepping? I ain't got I tell them, you must be out of your mind.
Look, my man walking the scooter, goddamn. Look at him on the scooter.
Still the king.
Tote that bitch.
East side to the world, I'm in that wind.
all right. I should be recording. I think I am. We're gonna get y'all the first little ride to my job. It ain't far from here. Show y'all how the 24mm acts. It's a little boggy. I still gotta jet it, but I haven't played around with the jets much because I still got the exhaust on the way. But overall, it rides good. I just want to get these fucking wrist sets. Because the wrist set on the left side over here is messed up, and I feel like my foot pointing towards the ground. But it gets stuff with this boat. The 24mm is perfect. My speedo is way off by at least 10-15 miles per hour. Okay, here we go. First time putting it out on the main road. Now I gotta get all the way over. Come on. Now you, sir. Here we go. Let's get her over here in the bay. And I'm gonna get back to the phone camera and show y'all what we're working with. Alright y'all, so I'm in the shop and I'm gonna tune you into what's going on with the bike today. Look at how much better the lighting is in here. I may try doing this a little bit more often. But I'm gonna tune you into what we got going today and show you what's up. Alright, so the mod we got going on today, man. These handlebars, they some trash. They feel like my scooter handlebars. They don't feel like I'm riding a bike. Now, I'm gonna end up getting these handlebars changed out. I got something in mind for it, and I think all you Grom guys know exactly what is about to come next. Alright, so the book bag is gonna be the goodie bag today. It's got all the little parts in it. Let me get all this laid out. We're gonna see what we're working with. We're gonna get started with the big box. I mean, that's what you end up doing on Christmas anyway. Y'all know what it was. Now I got these used, of course. Give me one sec. Pick them up used. But these gonna be the new bars. And they wider, yes. Yes. Give me one sec. I ain't about to sit here and show y'all a whole video of how to install bars, but yeah, I'm about to get these pro tapers on. Let's see what the difference is between them. Okay, Alexis are a little bit straighter. And they look like they're gonna sit a little bit higher too. I don't know. About the same. About the same. We're gonna go ahead and get them on here and put all the stock controls and everything back on. Okay, so I got the pros on. It's a bunch of pros for me too. They sit higher, they feel a little bit straighter. Like, I overall like it. I see why everybody go with this idea, either the XR Minis. The XR Mini's a little taller, not quite 8-hanger status, but they felt good as well. I just like the KLXs a little bit better. But for real, it's another mod I needed, especially starting the stunt and everything. I already know these stock ones right here was gonna fold up and bend as soon as I dropped it. I gotta get me a bar pad though. But yeah, let me get all the controls back on here, show y'all what's up. Now you know for a fact, all that stock shit is not about to go on these bars. We got another package right here with some beauty marks for it. It's gonna clean up them pro tapers and make them feel just that much better. Stay tuned. All right, here we go. Yes, they look lovely, look lovely. Gonna open them on up. There we go. I told y'all I was gonna get them bars right. Back at the top side view. Looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the day here at work. We got a few more cars and things to work on, and next time y'all see the video rolling, y'all gonna see me on the road driving back home for the first time with the pro tapers. And I'm gonna just tell y'all, I can already tell before getting on the bike, it's a totally different feel, and I am in love with it. I see why they say get the KLX or the DRZ 110 bars. They are the perfect replacement. It took this from feeling like a scooter to more of them actually riding a motorcycle, like a dirt bike or something now. So you need a new set of bars, in which everybody should, whether or not you're stunting or you're just riding a bike. Go ahead and update your bars, because the stock bars are, I mean, man, this literally is very, very cheap quality. They feel like nothing. Yeah, bars are a great update for these bikes, clone or the Grom. Look real nice, real nice. Yep. Next time I cut the camera back on, y'all gonna see the backside view with the helmet cam again. All right, y'all, so we clocking out of work, shutting up shop and everything. I'm about to cut y'all onto the helmet camera. As I said, I'm using just a little El Cheapo. It's got 1080p shooting, so don't expect no awesome quality just yet. I am gonna be getting another camera for the stunt season. But right now, this is just, you know, basic, show you what the bike got and how it's running. I did a little carb tuning while I was here. I still think I may have to upjet it. But outside of the upjetting with the carb and wrist X 12 bar, this bike gonna be ready for the stunt lots pretty soon. Like, it's already ready. I can take it out as is, but I wanna protect it, keep them plastics and stuff good. So yeah, here we go with the helmet cam on the way home. Start it up. Oh my gosh, these bars feel good as fuck. It's a little easier to having to wait at a stoplight. I feel a lot more up and down, but this is amazing. Back in the house. New bars felt amazing. Them KLX 110s or DRZ 110s, whatever you want to call them, they felt amazing. That whole ride is just, it changed everything. The next thing I got to do is just get rid of that hump right there. That way I can keep my daggone family jewels out the tank. Once I get rid of that hump, this bike is going to be, whew. Once again, I apologize for the quality of the helmet cam. It has no cover, no anything. So a lot of wind noise. You probably couldn't even hear me talking. I possibly cut and chopped that at the end of the, yeah. Don't worry about it. Just catch a visual. Know that I will have a helmet camera coming in the future that's going to be better quality sound and everything you're going to be able to hear. Anyways, this is where we're going to end today's video at. I thank y'all for watching. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Give me a thumbs up. And I'll see y'all soon. Part 4. We're going to take this out. A little bit more carb tuning to figure out what's going on with that low end. I think I need to go up on the pilot jet because it's not getting fuel like it's supposed to down low. Up top in the middle range, when it's all on the main jet, is good. But the pilot is, ugh. We're going to fix that. And rear sets, 12 bar, flat seat. We ready for stunt time now.